Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 8th students. The chapter is coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. Petroleum. In the last class, we were discussed about natural gas. This natural gas is stored in a high pressure, stored under high pressure. That's why we call as CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. This natural gas has many applications. So the first application is this is used to power generation, used for power generations. Nowadays these are used as a fuel in vehicles, transport vehicles. And one more is this CNG is used directly burning in the homes and factories. So these are all some applications. The one more important thing is it is transported through the pipes. This is very important application. This is application are very why we call this is very important fossil fuel. So there are some of them reservoirs are situated at Vadodara and Delhi and other places, and also some other reservoirs Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tripura and Krishna and Godavari deltas they are occurred. Okay, in this class I am going to discussing about some natural resources, some natural resources are limited. So we already know that from the beginning of the chapter we know that the natural resources means it is occurred in the nature. It is occurred the resources present in nature. So this is the one more thing, limited. So this type of limited resources we call as exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources. So exhaustible means they may be completed. They may be completed. How can be completed? These are by the human activities. These are exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible means they may be limited in nature. Limited usage in nature. Okay, na? By the human activities, it will be exhausted. Exhausted. Examples for this limited natural resources, that is fossil fuels. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuels. These fossil fuels are petroleum products. Petroleum products, natural gases, coal. These are all comes under fossil fuel. They are exhaustible natural resources. So next is forest, forest, wildlife, minerals, wildlife, minerals, etc. These are all some natural resources occurred limitedly. So you know that how these fossil fuels are formed. How these fossil fuels are formed? So the dead organisms, million of years to get converted into these fossil fuels. On the other hand, the reservoirs of these fossil fuels, it will last only in a few hundred of years. It will be completed. Why these are completed? By the human activities. If these fossil fuels are, it will completed or it will complete. So what will do our next generations? So that's why we have to minimize the use of these fossil fuels. Minimize the use. How can you minimize? So by using cycles, instead of vehicles, you have to use the bicycles, and some if distance is so little bit, you have to walk by through. So like some natural friendly or nature friendly behavior you have to adopt in your lives. Okay, and these fossil fuels also causes air pollutions. These fossil fuels causes air pollution. Air pollutions. From the air pollution, acid rain also comes. This will leads to global warming also. Global warming. This global warming is very dangerous to all life in the world. Okay, Nama. That's why, and the availability of this all these accessible are also limitedly. That's why where absolute necessary is there, then only you have to use the these fossil fuels or vehicles. Otherwise, you have to use the public transport. KSRTC vehicles are there now. If you use everyone individual vehicles, the usage of fossil fuels is high. This leads to air pollution and it may leads to global warming also. That's why you have to adopt environmental friendly behaviors. Okay, in India, so one in association is there that is PCRA. This is a association. That means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Petroleum Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Associations. This PCRA suggests to people. So what they gives the tips to people while driving. While driving, you have to follow some tips given by this PCRA. Which are the tips? Drive at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Drive at a constant and moderate speed. So what happens? Drive at constantly. If you are ride constantly, the burning of fuel is little bit low. They have to burn. If you other if you burn if you more ride more speed and otherwise sometimes speed and sometimes slow, it will does not gives the mileage to your vehicles. That means burning of fuel is more. If burning of more is air pollution is more. That's why you have to maintain constant and moderate speed. Moderate speed means limited speed, 50 to 60 speed. That means moderate or medium speed. Constant means if you go 60, you have to maintain 60 speed. Sometimes 60, sometimes 100. Like this, you have to do not drive like these variations in the speeds. Moderate speed and constant speed will give the mileages to your vehicles. And also one more tip, that is switch off the engine. Switch off the engine where at traffic lights or at a place where you wait, you have to switch off the engine. When traffic lights are green in color, then only you start and go. So this is the very best tip given by PCRA. You have to follow this and also ensure the correct tire pressure. Tire pressure is not good. Your vehicle is doesn't go fastly. If air is full in your tires, then only it can move easily. That's why you always check the tire pressure in your vehicles. And also one more thing, ensure the regular maintenance of the vehicle. Regular maintenance of vehicles. Okay, Amma? This is what very important. So regular maintenance. Every day you have to check the your vehicle's tires and also engine how the smoke will produces your vehicles. You have to check and your gadi should be maintained in services. You get services from the showrooms. Like these are the tips given by PCRA, and also instead of vehicles you have to use bicycles or public transport. Just imagine you are all took individual vehicles to your school. What happens? Burning of fuel is more, and parking place is also we have need so much amount of place. That's why you have to use the public transports like your school vans. Okay, these are all tips given by PCRA, and also you have to adopt environmental friendly behaviors in your life. Then only our environment is good, and also we should gift the our next generation to next generation by fossil fuels. We have to gift this fossil fuel to our next generation. Okay, thank you.